All right, John. So I've got the little PSP 3000 with the breakout going into this TRS plug going into X1, and yeah, let's see if I can actually control this well enough to score. There you go. That works great. Love it. So yes, it works great. No way about it. And I'm gonna make a little 3D printed thing. I'll actually show you. I've got. Oops. I have some things made. I went ahead and I mocked up a PSP 3000. Just so I'd have the shape of it, and I did a little XY breakout right here. And I think I'm going to make a, so my current plan, if I do this right, is to actually make a little, so I'm not sure what happened to my screen. There we go. Is to actually make maybe something like this, that's shaped like this. Kind of still go around my finger like a sling ring, but just house the rest of this in something I can grab. That seems to me it would help a lot of people who have very weak fingers, and even if their hand wasn't able to grip it, it would still go around one. And then if I made it small enough, we could actually have Instamorph grips around it that would then be custom fit to I'm not going to get that. Oh well. To mold around the people's hands so that they fit. There you go. All right, I'll post this just for fun. Bye, guys.